Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about biotechnology. Okay. First of all, what we should know, what is biotechnology in simple words? Actually, biotechnology is the use of living organisms, or you can say that the use of microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, or any eukaryotic cell or any enzyme from living organisms in the industries for the production of large scale industrial product. So what we studied, that the use of living organisms in the industries for the large scale industrial product. That is the biotechnology. This is the basic thing of biotechnology, or simple words that we study in this topic. That is the how to use the different microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, etc. for the production of large scale industrial products that is useful for the human beings. So what actually in biotechnology, this is the simple meaning. For example, production of curd, that you use the lactobacillus bacteria for the production of curd. There is also for the alcoholic fermentation, for the formation of alcohol like wine, beer, etc. Production of cheese. These all processes are the micro-mediated processes that we use, different microorganisms we use for the production of the cheese, bread, alcohol, etc. So these are also a type of biotechnology. But this is the old biotechnology, that in the old biotechnology that we study about how to use these different microorganisms for the alcoholic fermentation, yeah, for the production of alcohol, wine, beer, cheese, bread, curd, etc. So these are the old biotechnology. In all these processes we use the living organisms, living organisms in the, or you can say that the living variety, living strain of microorganisms we use in these processes. That is the old biotechnology. But later on, nowadays we are using the genetically modified organism for the same purpose. That is the modern biotechnology. So in the modern biotechnology, nowadays we are using not the living strain in the same condition, bacteria or fungi. We are using the genetically modified organisms for the large scale production of industrial product, or we can say that for the same purpose. What is the meaning of genetically modified organism? Means the organisms whose gene is manipulated. There is the introduction of any foreign gene or alien gene for the production of any product, and that genetically modified organisms are used in the industry for the large scale production of industrial product. That is the modern biotechnology. Gradually the scope of biotechnology increased. For example, in biotechnology nowadays we are producing the DNA vaccine, while previously we used a virus, inactivated virus we introduce in the body to develop the immune system or immune capacity. Nowadays we are producing DNA vaccine. That is also the part of biotechnology, that how to develop the DNA vaccine by the use of any microorganisms or living organisms. Production of antibiotic medicines. You know that today the demand of antibiotic is very high, and you learnt in the previous classes that the Alexander Fleming discovered the penicillin medicine, antibiotic medicine from the penicillium of fungus. So we can use this bacteria fungi, etc. for the production of this large scale antibiotic medicines. We can produce the large scale insulin hormone by the use of these genetically modified organisms. Test tube baby, you know that in vitro fertilization, there is also a technique. This is also now the part of biotechnology. Gene therapy means the correction of a defective gene. This is also now a part of biotechnology. So a scope of biotechnology gradually increased, developed. That is the crop biotechnology. In crop biotechnology, what we can do? We can take out a desired gene from a plant can be introduced into the another plant for the improvement in that plant. So gradually crop biotechnology, medical biotechnology, so different areas, different fields of biotechnology gradually developed. So these are the part of the modern biotechnology. But the question is how this biotechnology developed, how these different techniques of biotechnology developed. So this origin of biotechnology or development of biotechnology is completely based on the development of two main techniques. One is the genetic engineering. This is also a branch of biology. And another one we can say that is the chemical engineering. So due to the development in the different techniques of the genetic engineering and the chemical engineering, it helped to develop this modern biotechnology. So this modern biotechnology developed due to the development in the two core techniques, that is the genetic engineering and another one is the chemical engineering. Now the question is, what is this genetic engineering and what is this chemical engineering? So genetic engineering is actually, it is the manipulation in genes, alteration in gene, or you can say that change in the chemistry of DNA or RNA, and that changed DNA is now introduced into any other cell or any other organism, and that organism will be the genetically modified, and that genetically modified organism can be used in the industry for the large scale production of any product. So genetic engineering, it is also a branch of this biology in which what we do, so there are different techniques to take out a desired gene and introduce into the another organism that will be the genetically modified, and that modified organism is now can be used in the industry for the production of the product. So genetic engineering is a field in which there is the alteration in the gene or the change in the chemistry of DNA sequence or RNA, and that changed DNA or gene is introduced into a host organism or a particular organism or in the cell, and that cell is now provided with a suitable condition in the industry for the expression of that introduced gene. We know that a gene expresses itself in the form of protein synthesis. So suppose you want to produce any enzyme, most of the enzymes are proteins. You know that if you suppose you are going to produce the insulin hormone, that is also a protein. So a gene, now we take out desired gene, we identify a desired gene, we take out from that cell, introduce into the another cell, and that cell is now provided a suitable condition in the industry for the expression, and that introduced gene will express itself by the protein synthesis, and this expression is also called change in the phenotype, because you know that when the genotype changes, the phenotype will change. This phenotype changes because that introduced gene will produce the different product, different protein, and that different protein produces a different trait. that will be the change in the phenotype due to the change in the genotype. So this technique, this processes is called the genetic engineering. And the second one is the, you can say, chemical engineering or bioprocess engineering. In this process, what we do actually, that that genetically modified organism is provided with a suitable environment, suitable condition, suitable medium, suitable temperature, suitable pH condition, so that that genetically modified organism multiply rapidly and expresses the introduced gene for the production of the desired product. That is the part of chemical engineering or bioprocess engineering. So now this is the two things that we discussed today. Now we will discuss in the next video that how these two processes are used in the biotechnology. Thank you.